How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I figured I'd give you a little update on the Dart here. Since my world got thrown for a little bit of a loop, and my wife decided to make contact with a deer with her van, and then a couple things before that. Anyway, the van is unrepairable and has now been scrapped. So, I was forced into commissioning one of the other cars into daily driver duty, which was the 88 Fifth Avenue, which surprisingly I get a lot of compliments on. Anyway, that's been fantastic. It's a nice daily driver. But anyway, the Dart got stalled a little bit. So let me show you what I got going on. As you may have seen already, I got the instrument cluster working. Now I get to see the hole gauges, and I converted it to LED. I still got to take care of the shifter. The engagement is very slushy, so I can, when I'm racing, for instance, I can easily go from first to drive. So I got to make the engagement there a little more positive. I don't want to go aftermarket, but I may be forced to, depending on if I can get that get the slop out of it. And I found all my trim. I wanted to put the upper body trim back on it. I had it. I had to find it. I found it. So now it's going back on. The color, before I do that, I got to actually match the color because I got to take care of this right here. This is from the trim previously, but I got to repair that and then match it. Before No Name 22, I had to, I just threw some color on there. I had bare metal that was showing, so I just threw some color on there. And supposedly Stone White, which is what this color is, was a good match for WW1, which is what that color is. But as you can see, it's not. So, again, that's Stone White. That's WW1. So, I have some touch-up paint ordered. Supposedly that will match. Hopefully that's the case. And that should be here, I don't know, early next week sometime. But, so that way I can get that buttoned up. Since it's been so cold, I haven't touched the quarter panel. So, I didn't want to spread mud and in the cold, and I have heat in here, but for whatever reason it was still a little cold, so I didn't want to spread the mud and take a chance of cracking or anything like that. So as you can see, it's not done. So with it getting warmer, I want to finish this off, put color back on it, and call that side done. This trim, or you can see these trim clips right here, the little nipples poking out, that is a 1 year only, which looks like that. There's one place I found that repops them. They're like 130 bucks, but there's a good chance I might be taking it off if I do other repairs on the side of the car. I'm not looking to restore the car, but I am looking to preserve it. So some of the stuff I'd like to take care of, and again, just to keep it solid. I like the patina of it anyway, like this stuff here. I like that. That's going to stay like that. But any major rust or anything like that, that I'll take care of. But otherwise, it's just to preserve it. So what I might do, or what I will do, is the same thing the previous owner did, is probably use trim tape or trim adhesive and put it back on the car like that. I'm going to be taking the axles out of my 71 Duster. Those are Moser 4.5-inch pattern. Brakes are new, all that fun stuff. So that I'm going to be taking out along with the backing plates and the drums and put them on the Dart. The axles and backing plates and all the brake hardware are going to go back into the 71 Duster, at least for the time being. But that way I'll have big bolt pattern, so I could run my favorite wheel of all time, cop wheels. Undecided whether I'm going to leave them black or if I'm going to go body color. But I am certainly going to run those center caps. Those poverty caps actually came off my dad's 71 Charger from years and years and years ago, and I'm fortunate to still have them. So those are going to be on the car. And then I got to fix little stuff like that. So again, it's just to preserve the car. That stuff will stay. Actually, most of that's probably going to come out when I cut it or when I buff it. But I think a majority of the paint will actually clean off. So get a little bit of a shine to it. See, I like that stuff. That stuff's going to stay. So I'll also be able to run some slicks, so that way I don't embarrass myself at No Name Nationals again like I did last year and just obliterate the street tires, which is kind of funny because in the past I've ran street tires and I had some traction issues, but nothing like I did there. So, but then again, prior to No Name Nationals last year, I also made changes to the car which improved it. So anyway, so we're gonna have some sticky tires. I'll have some 15s so I can run street tires, slicks. So, or DOT, drag rails, whatever. Either way, I'll be able to run them. So I have the components already to swap it to 4.5-inch pattern front discs. And then the duster already is. I was actually contemplating on pulling everything off the duster on the front as well and then swapping everything over from the Dart, but I do have those components, so we should be good. But won't those look cool on there? Nice cop wheels. Yeah, that is my favorite wheel of all time. I'm obsessed with them. So anyway, like I said, just a quick little update on the Dart. There's going to be more to come, obviously. There's tons of stuff I'm forgetting. So thanks for watching. I appreciate every one of you. And I hope you guys have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.